The yellow paint on this Boston sidewalk marks the line that abortion protesters and counselors were not allowed to cross. But on Thursday, the Supreme Court said that this 35-foot buffer zone is unconstitutional, a unanimous decision that was hailed by anti-abortion activists.
Every day, lives are spared from abortion because of these brave sidewalk counselors, these sidewalk advocates.
Massachusetts was the only state with a fixed buffer zone. Other states have floating buffer zones, which were upheld by the High Court in 2000.
One of the things that the protesters were asking for was for the court to actually overrule that earlier decision, and the court didn't do that today. So at least for now, those survive, although it's possible that, that this decision today has cast a cloud over buffer zones of all types.
We had a statute that worked. Everybody knew, where they could go, and we believed it also gave enough room to protect First Amendment rights.
Under the prior law, the protesters were allowed to stand in our doorway, shoulder to shoulder. And our patients had to thread their way through groups of people standing in our doorway.
To require police or the court injunction every time somebody was harassing or threatening or blocking, acting intentionally, became expensive, it became difficult to do, and frankly, we thought this was a good and fair adjustment.
Massachusetts officials vow to work on a new buffer zone law. Lawmakers are expected to act this summer. Matt Friedman, Associated Press.